You've probably skipped a meal before and felt that familiar grumble in your stomach. But what if you went 5 whole days without eating a single bite of food? What would actually happen inside your body, hour by hour, day by day? And trust me, what happens on day 3 is going to completely change how you think about the human body. Stay with me because this one is important. Welcome back to Senior Health USA, your trusted source for health information that actually matters for the way you live. Today we're taking a deep science-backed look at what your body goes through during 5 days without food. Whether you've ever considered fasting, have questions about what happens during illness when appetite disappears, or you're simply curious about how the human body survives, this video is for you. Let's break it down day by day. On day 1, your body doesn't panic. Not yet. You have blood sugar circulating from your last meal, and your liver has stored glucose called glycogen that it begins to release to keep your energy steady. You might feel a little hungry, maybe slightly irritable, but physically, you're running on reserves you didn't even know you had. For seniors especially, this first day can feel manageable, even if uncomfortable. Day 2 is where things start to shift. Your glycogen stores are now running low. Your body, being the incredibly intelligent machine that it is, begins switching fuel sources. It starts breaking down fat for energy and producing molecules called ketones. Your blood sugar and insulin levels drop noticeably. Research confirms that glucose and insulin levels fall significantly during the early days of fasting, while ketone bodies begin rising as the body adapts to using fat as its new primary fuel. You may feel more tired, lightheaded, or experience some difficulty concentrating. This is completely normal as your body makes the metabolic switch. Now, day 3. This is the one that will genuinely surprise you. Scientists have discovered that after approximately 3 days without food, the human body switches into a powerful new biological mode that goes far beyond simple fat burning. Research published in Nature Metabolism revealed that extended fasting sets off widespread biological changes throughout the body, including shifts linked to the brain, metabolism, and the immune system. One of the most remarkable things that kicks in is a process called autophagy. Think of autophagy as your body's internal cleaning crew. Your cells begin identifying old, damaged proteins and worn-out components, breaking them down and recycling them. It is essentially your body's built-in quality control system activating at full power. For older adults, this cellular cleanup process is especially significant because it is linked to reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Your brain, your organs, your immune system, they all begin undergoing a coordinated reset that researchers are still working hard to fully understand. Science Daily Oncology. By day 4, your body is now deep in ketosis and running almost entirely on fat and ketones. Studies tracking thousands of proteins in the blood show that after the 3-day mark, the body begins a coordinated multi-organ transformation, affecting organs throughout the body. Many people who go through extended fasting report something unexpected at this stage, a surprising improvement in mental clarity. The ketones fueling your brain are actually a very efficient energy source. However, this is also the point where muscle tissue begins to be used for energy if fat reserves are insufficient. Research on 5-day fasting has shown that mood often improves, with participants experiencing higher energy and reduced tension, but muscle loss becomes a key concern during this period. For seniors, muscle preservation is critical, which is why doctors always emphasize that extended fasting should never be done without medical supervision. Science Daily News Medical. Day 5 brings your body to a profound crossroads. In a groundbreaking study, volunteers who fasted for 7 days lost an average of 5.7 kilograms of both fat and lean mass, with the fat loss remaining even after they resumed eating, but the lean mass recovering quite quickly. By this point, energy expenditure has decreased as your metabolism adapts to conserve what it has. Your heart rate and blood pressure have lowered, your digestive system has gone almost completely quiet. And while some biological markers show remarkable improvements, others, like certain inflammation levels, can rise unexpectedly. Studies found that 5-day fasting led to unexpected increases in inflammatory markers, even while mood and overall well-being improved, highlighting the complex nature of what fasting does to the body. Science Daily News-Medical. Here is the most important thing to understand from all of this. The human body is extraordinarily resilient and intelligent. It has backup systems for backup systems, but resilience does not mean invincibility, especially as we get older. Going without food for 5 days is not something anyone should attempt at home without a doctor's guidance. Seniors, in particular, face unique risks including electrolyte imbalances, muscle loss, and medication interactions that make unsupervised extended fasting genuinely dangerous. If you found this video eye-opening, please give it a like and share it with someone you care about. And if you haven't subscribed to Senior Health USA yet, now is the perfect time. We are here every week with honest, research-backed health information designed specifically for you. Drop a comment below and tell us, did Day 3 surprise you? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care of yourself, because your health is your greatest wealth.